Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today we are reorganizing all of my swatch sticks and slowly making the nail space better. As you can see, I have them all hung on rings, which I like already, and we have free space here that we're gonna make use of. I want to move the ones that are hidden behind my stamping plate holders to that free space because I really want to keep these holders there on hand. I also have a bunch of these Seaweed Gel babies that still need to be swatched, so we're going to do that as well. As for any organization project, the very first step is to remove everything from the space you are reorganizing. Then I'll be removing the nails that are on the stamping plate spot to put them in the free space we had on the left. Now I can put my beloved stamping plates back where they belong without them having stuff stuck behind. Now to the reorganizing of the actual swatch sticks. All of the colors I have on swatch sticks I got from Seaweed Gel, so we have all of the 3-step, Unity, and Special collections to organize here. I'll start by taking all the sticks out of their rings because I'm going to be changing these, and it'll just make this whole process easier. Now, these are the rings I was currently using, and don't get me wrong, they are really good. The only reason why I'm changing them is mainly because with my growing collection, I needed rings that would fit more. The new bigger rings I got from the dollar store, just like the previous ones, both in the shower curtains section. If you have ideas of how I could reuse these elsewhere, either in my nail space or in my house, definitely let me know in the comments, as I'd love to find a new use to them. Now I have this huge stash of sticks to organize, and what I'll do is I'll separate each of them into the right category, so 3-step, Unity, and Special collections. To start with the easiest first, I'll attack the Special collections and place them all in order. Since they're such a small part of the stash, I don't really have many colors into each Special collection. I will not bother about rainbow order with these. And once they're all in order, I just put them into their new ring and that'll be done. Then I have left the 3-step and the Unity gels, so I'll just grab the whole thing and split it into 2 piles, one for each gel line. I'll put the Unity pile apart so I can now get done with the 3-step. I decided to do these before, as I am pretty sure I have the swatches for all the colors I have so far. Then, just like with the Special collections, I'll place them in order, but this time it is just to double check to make sure all of my 3-step colors are there. Now for these, I do want to have them by rainbow order, so that's what I'm gonna do. Once that is done, hop in the rings so I can get on to the next step. Look at how satisfying it looks though. Now on to the longest part, the Unity line. I said it's going to be the longest part, basically because I know some of the colors will need to be swatched. Same process applies here, starting with placing all the sticks to be able to check for missing swatches. Here are all my Unity gels, and we're going to go ahead and grab all the ones that haven't been swatched yet. I also added the ones I have from the Rhinestones collection since I need to swatch them, but it won't be hard to add them to the Special Collections ring afterwards. To identify the swatch sticks, I use this P-Touch cube that I got from Amazon and I love it. You get to make your tags right on your phone and then hit the print button. It's as simple as that and you get your labels. I personally like to use clear tape the best, but you can choose from a bunch of colors too. So I just add the label to the stick and I'm ready to get to the swatching. Now that we have all the missing swatches, we can put the rhinestone ones into the ring and start placing the Unity ones in rainbow order. Then onto the rings and voila! One more thing I'm going to implement in my swatch sticks organization is identifying each ring. So for that, I took some washi tape that I stuck to the rings and cut it like little flags, and then tagged them with my label maker. And here we have all the sticks neatly organized on their new rings, and I think it all already looks so much cuter than it used to. Our very last thing to do is to hang the rings on their little hooks and we are done. So that is it for the very first organizing video on this channel. To reorganize all of my swatch sticks was quite long, but I'm truly happy with how it turned out. The sticks hanging on rings already worked well for me, but now it is much more functional with the bigger rings as it gives me more space to grow and they look so much prettier now. I also love that my stamping plate holders now have their own spot without swatch sticks in the way. And I finally caught up with the swatching I had procrastinated with for so long. Let me know if you might try this way of organizing your swatch sticks or if you have other ways to do it. I'm curious to know. Also, consider subscribing for more nail related videos and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!